Okay, for all you guys wondering if this works with the food saver mason jar attachment, yes it does. So first, of course, you want to select your food. If you have moist or dry, it's already on dry. 2 buttons here, one says seal, one says vacuum seal. So you want to press the vacuum seal button, and this little post right here, I'm not sure if it comes up very well on the camera, but this is my old food saver accessory hose. Both ends are the same. One end just fits right into there. This end fits into my food saver machine. So for this, that comes with this Inkbird Plus machine. There's 2 ends. They look very different. This is what goes into this little vacuum post right there. And then you have whatever you need to seal up. And when you press start, this really has good suction. And so you just press it right over here, and once you feel the seal, you can just let it go. See that? And now it's suctioning. You can feel it. You can also hear it. That was really fast. But it's sealed, so there you go. Just like that.
That is sealed very, very good. My first time using the Inkbird Vacuum Sealer. I think she did a good job. Not quite done yet. Maybe it is. Yeah, look at that. Nice and tight. God darn. Really tight.